Welcome to my YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about OneTake. OneTake is a new platform which is out. It's AI, and we're going to be talking about some of the ins and outs of OneTake, what it's good for, what it might not be so good for. I'm going to show you some things that it advertises that it does. One of them is to actually deep fake your own voice, and so that you can go into different languages. Now, speaking of deep faking and AI and everything, I want to talk a little bit about the use of AI and YouTube new changes to their user agreements, some of which I think is flat out unfair. There's no nice way to say it. I love being on YouTube. I've been on here since 2009, but I want to point out some things here that show up in the YouTube studio. And when I read deeper, this doesn't even show on the phones. This is going to be coming. It might be on mobile devices. It might not, but they now want us to say, do you have any of the following? Describe your content. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Okay, that's one thing. That's actually deep faking somebody's voice and body. Alters footage of real event or place. Now, that's fine. That's not. And then generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. Almost all of us do that. But let's get on to the next thing on this. This is where they're talking about video captures and disclosing the use of altered or synthetic content. I thought this was okay. So they get into further. Why don't they just call it deep fake? Because that's what the technical term is. They're discouraging deep fake, but what about deep fake of your own self? Disclosing use of altered content, settling in YouTube, setting in YouTube. Now, this is expanded description. Now, what they're going to do is put a label on all of the videos that admit to using AI. And to me, that's kind of like the Scarlet Letter, where a woman got labeled wrongly. And so here's something that's really kind of struck me as funny. You go through here and you go look at this. Doesn't require disclosure by creators. Okay, applying beauty filters. Synthetic generation or extending of a backdrop to stimulate a moving car. Using effects to enhance previously recorded audio. And this last one, you can tell that they're cherry picking. Who this is going to be enforced against and who it is not going to be enforced against. Using an AI generated animation of a missile in a video. Now, come on, folks. If you have an AI generated missile in a video, what if you have it doing exactly what this one says, showing a realistic depiction of a missile firing toward a city? Now, maybe that's what they're talking about, but this to me looks like, okay, I can see how they had that. Okay, so it's okay to have a missile in your video that's generated by AI, but don't have it going towards any city. I was misreading it earlier. Simulated audio that sounds as if it's giving medical advice, yes, and having You know, all of this is great, but one thing that I would like to say is I have well over 2,000 videos. I know that people that have videos also are in the thousands. And that little thing that I showed you earlier, let me go back to it. This altered content that they're expecting us to answer yes or no, the requirement by the user agreement is that we should do that for every single one of the videos ever since creation. I've been on since 2009. This would take me months to go back through and correct. Now, going forward, they don't even have a way that you can toggle this on in the studio for future videos so that, like, say, if all of my content is not going to be altered content, I hit no. Well, folks, I don't know about you, but I do know about me, and I'm probably going to just leave it unmarked because YouTube, I hope that you take down this unreasonable requirement. Yes, we need to have safe videos, but there has to be a point where you have a little bit of sanity in the insanity. And to me, this is not sane. And also, what is insane is not having my chat open. So here we go. Thank you. Just read Virginia's books. And so nice to see you in here. And I hope you don't mind my little rant. I usually don't do this, but I figured that it would be something appropriate for today. Now, let's get into OneTake. Here is the main landing page that you're going to have once signed in. This is my account, shows my projects. They have chat, which I'm still trying to figure out myself, and tell a little bit more about yourself, which I haven't filled in. I'm going to have to ask them. You can refer and earn money by referring people. I haven't done that either. Tutorials and replays. It's really nice that they have tutorials showing how to do things. Twice a month, our founder, Sebastian, has a tutorial, and I need to click to get the link to the schedule of the next session. March 22nd, there was one about Piccolo, and you know, just lots of things you can learn about OneTake. Back to OneTake and back to projects. What OneTake has is the ability to upload a video and then to edit it. This one is a finished video that I did, which was one of my, and you can preview them when you download it. All this part is not included, which is kind of nice, but this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it full screen. Well, actually, I don't think I can. Welcome to my Lumosity wind sprints for the brain. 475 yesterday. We did a strengthen workout. We've gone 10 days straight. Today's day. I just took it the way it came off the, I didn't make any alterations to this at all. You notice how it goes, wind sprints for the brain, 475 got its own line. And it doesn't, this is the AI doing its best to pick out what's interesting and what is applicable. And day 11. Also yesterday we dropped 10 like Lumosity day points. 11. Let's see if we can get some back. We're doing a quick workout. Had 8 hours sleep. We're feeling okay. Working memory match. This is simply all right, so you can see what I'm talking about. Nothing with AI. No AI is perfect. OneTake has We're on the lower end of perfect at the moment. This is a new program, so let's see what else we can find out about AI and AI. What else? OneTake. Let's get back to the projects. Let's do a different project, and I'll show you. This is one that I did that did come out a little bit better, because what I think AI, OneTake AI is really good for is a quick presentation where you're talking, because that's what it does, is it picks up on your talking. It doesn't, it like doing gaming. I'll show you a gaming one later on. This is the non-impact exercise video that I did a while ago on another channel. Back in 2019, I had tonsillar cancer and was treated with radiation to my neck, which gave me after gift of neck cramps, really bad neck cramps, which I dealt with for years. And finally, I came up with a solution I'm sharing with you. And that is non-impactful or low impact exercise for my neck, which is basically having a weight on my head. I started off at 1 kilogram and I've worked up to 3 kilograms. I wouldn't recommend going any higher than that for somebody with a neck injury. Now, I'm not a doctor, so now as you can see it, because I didn't oh, you know what? You can't see anything. Let me go back. All right, rewind. I was watching the wrong screen. As you can see, all of the notations are much better because I had not really gone off a script, but I've said this quite a few times about this non-impactful neck exercise. All right, play it again. I guess it doesn't want to play again. Let's try this one time over here. Really bad neck cramps. There we go. Which I dealt with for years. And finally, I came up with a solution I'm sharing with you. And that is non-impactful or low impact exercise for my neck, which is basically having a weight on my head. I started off at 1 kilogram and I've worked up to 3 kilograms. I wouldn't recommend going any higher than that for notice how it follows with a neck injury. It's really nice. Now, I'm not a doctor, so before you even think about doing this, make sure to consult your doctor first. I'm just sharing what's worked for me. I had really bad neck cramps and they've all but gone away because I daily exercise. This is part of my daily routine. For an hour, I wear a 3 kilogram weight on my head, and then I'll just one of every once in a while roll my head one way, roll my head the other way, go back, go forward, whatever. Do the deep, but wearing it for an hour a day helps keep my neck straight, strengthened. And I believe it's helped me. It might help you. Talk with your doctor and have a great day. Love you all. Bye-bye. I think I might have made one change on this video when I did do it. But that said, this one came out a lot cleaner because I had not really totally scripted, but had it close to scripted. Other projects that I've done with OneTake. And then I'll show you how to upload to OneTake, which is really easy. DIY kitty recycling container. I think I went and I had made a YouTube video with the DIY kitty recycling, and I decided, well, let's see if how well OneTake will handle it.
Bill Doobie here. Today we're going to do a quick DIY. Actually, I'm just going to show you how to do it.
Actually, that was for something else.
How to make a quick DIY dustpan. This is a dustpan that I made, and it works quite well. You just put a little edge on it. And where that comes from is kitty litter. You take the tidy cat and you just take this lid right here, right where.
This was the one that I had made the mistake of hitting the simple edit feature, which I tell everybody that I recommend to get this video to not use. Because what happens is every single one of those bullets has a time feature. I'll show you in just, actually, why don't we just go to a more recent one? All right, I think this is it. All right, this is one I did for a friend, and I did it in a vertical using my webcam, which I was really impressed with how well this turned out.
Here we go. Here's a quick quest.
Puerto
Rico, this is a test right here of the OneTake doing the whole shebang. I had not tested that yet. And like I said, I'm still brand new to this. So I figured I'd test it real quick and send you a video, and we'll both find out how well it looks. Also, I'm going to transfer it into Italian because you said I need to learn.
Now, with that, one thing that I noticed, and I haven't used this in a presentation before, is in the vertical format, I wasn't able to explode it out to a full screen. There was nothing showing anywhere on there to explode it out. One of the things about vertical that isn't quite programmed out, and as a matter of fact, I'm probably going to send it in to the OneTake creators, Sebastian OneTake, and let's see what the other thing is as far as this goes. We can go back and we can go perfect. Show me how to publish, and then okay, that's the next one I want to do. Here, I'll show you. All right, I want to change the script. So what I do here is go to want to change the script. This is what I tell people never to touch. As a matter of fact, they even warn you when you hit this, because see how it says it it even gives you a warning. And I should have heeded it the first time and not gone and done this, because if you type "let's go" and you do that, what happens is this is not the simple way. This is with all of the extra bells and whistles from markup programming into your code. But all of this stuff at the end here, these are time, well, actually, I'm pointing at nothing. But these are all the timestamps when things are going to happen during the video, like the presenter text is going to go in at that time. And that is all driven down here. All of these timestamps go away, and you have to like hit a space bar for each one of the timestamps. Now, this is just a short 1 minute video. It was a nightmare on my other video, and I finally just re-uploaded it and went back to doing it this way to make the one change that I did make to it. Now, that's one issue. So there's strike one, or actually strike two because the vertical presentation you couldn't see. But this is like in its infancy. Let's go to the Italian version because I did deep fake my voice, and it sounds good in Italian, but I don't speak Italian. I still have my Italian friends that got to get back to me and tell me if the OneTake transcribed properly into Italian. But you'll see what's wrong with this video in just a second. Entrada de Puebla. Puebla. Entrada de Puebla. Okay, that's me speaking it. And this is deep fake. All deep fake. Let's see if I can get it bigger though. I can't. There's nothing. See, I guess these are the different languages I could have had on it. And oh yeah, because I also changed it to Italian too. I mean, not Italian, Spanish. And I need to show it to you too. Here we go. Espanol, English, Italiano. Any votes for which speak? Well, let's go in Italian.
Ecco fatto. Ecco una domanda veloce. Bene, Dorico, questo test qui è una ripresa unica per fare tutto il lavoro. Non l'ho ancora testato e come ho detto, sono ancora alle prime armi. Ho quindi pensato di fare una prova veloce e di inviarvi un video e scopriremo entrambi quanto è bello. Inoltre, lo tradurrò in italiano perché hai detto che devo imparare.
I don't even need to speak Italian to know that that was not synced up to my lips. So that is one of the problems with OneTake at the moment. And this is just my first go at it. What I found is sometimes these don't work quite properly the first time. And let's go hunt it down on the downloaded version. All right, downloads. It's the one that says, if I can find it. All right, Italian version. Oh, there it is, right there.
Ecco fatto. Ecco una domanda veloce. Bene, Dorico, questo test qui è una ripresa unica per fare tutto il lavoro. Non l'ho ancora testato e come ho detto, sono ancora alle prime armi. Ho quindi pensato di fare una prova veloce e di inviarvi un video e scopriremo entrambi quanto è bello. Inoltre, lo tradurrò in italiano perché hai detto che devo imparare.
Now, half of what I think that is that because OneTake had zoomed in so much on my face that maybe I needed to be back a little bit more. I'm going to try another one another time. I only have so much time. You know, there's only one of me on my team. Although I do have a coach that is more like about 10 people right there. And thank you again, Virginia, for all the help along the way. And AI is very near and dear to all of us. And I'm not kidding about the fact that one of the things that I might not have pointed out totally on my rant earlier that I did want to point out is the simple fact that we're all on YouTube is our videos are AI. You know, we all talk about the algorithm. We all maximize our videos to the algorithm. And what is not to say that that is an AI too? Augmented intelligence, AI. Back to Mimbo. I mean, not Mimbo. OneTake. Let's go and projects. This is one that I just did. I uploaded today because March 31st, why not have something that is more current? And we'll make it stretch out for the whole video. Let's go and see what all right. So
welcome to my Lumosity Wind Sprints for the Brain 517. We've gone 17 days straight. Yesterday we did a quick workout. We went up 3 LPI points. We're at 15.0.
All right, so let's say we want to take out that second LPI points. Let's see if we can do that. Now, I do not know this advanced editor yet, so this might totally go off the rails, but we'll give it a try. LPI points, 3 LPI points. They got it twice here, so 10. We just take that out. And that will probably end up really messing things up, but we'll see what happens here. There's probably a way to really be fancy and have it go and renumber everything. But I'm just going to do that one and see if that can go and save changes. Let's see if we get a space there. It'd be really convenient if that was at the end of the page, but I don't think it was. I didn't change the timing because now we go back and we save changes. So let's go back and start this over again.
Lumosity Wind Sprints for the Brain 517. We've got
all right, that's not it. All right, so let's go to projects and do it this way. So that second LPI thing should.
Welcome to my Lumosity Wind Sprints for the Brain 517. We've gone 17 days straight. Yesterday we did a quick workout. We went up 3 LPI points. We're at 15.05. And let's get going. Okay, so we still have the check mark there. So what if we went 1, 2, 3, oh wait a second, 4 down, the 5th one, if we just deleted the 5th timestamp, maybe that would fix it. We're learning together. Go back in, edit with advanced editor. And actually, with computer logic, I'm going to just try one more thing. If we take this out, let's see if we really mess things up. Oh, it did renumber everything. So what we need to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4 down. I think it was the 4th one. Or maybe it took it out too. But let's just see what happens. Because we did take it out. Does it take out the bottom? Will it take out the timestamp? I doubt it. But we'll find out. This one was a test video anyways. And then I'll show you how to upload a video, and then
we'll probably take any questions if anybody has any, or they can leave them in the comments below, because this is both replay too. We like that. We know to go here rather than just trying to play it again.
Welcome to my Lumosity Wind Sprints for the Brain 517. We've gone 17 days straight. Yesterday we did a quick workout. We went up 3. We're at 15:05. And let's get going. We did quick, so we're doing classic today. That is fabulous. I didn't believe it actually worked. I've never done markup language, but to be able to edit it just by whatever you want to delete out, just make sure you get the whole top line, and the program automatically deleted the timestamp, which is so convenient. I'm so used to old school programming where nothing is automatic. So that was the AI at work right there, which I love. All right. So let's upload or start a new project. So we go projects, create a new project from scratch or a walkthrough. Let's do one with a walkthrough just so that you can see all the nice things that they give you. I've been doing them from scratch now, but with a walkthrough, it explains every step of the way. Wow, let's create your first video. Click here to get started. Now we have 3 basic styles. This is the one I've been using primarily. This is the one for vertical, which I used for the video that I showed you. And this one, I don't know what this one does. So let's see what this one will do to today's video that I uploaded, which actually is probably too long for that. So maybe I can upload a short video and see what that does. All right, so shorts test, we'll call it. And you also have to put a project title, which is visible in the video. And I thought that there was going to be a way that I could get by without titling, but you can't. They need a title. So shorts test to, what are we calling this? Shorts test to landscape. Because we're going to see if we can go shorts to landscape. There's that up. And now these are color palettes. I've been going with whatever the present colors are, but I'm going to go with Neuroclassic because I like Neuroclassic better, which is over here. And actually, I wonder if this is the Neuroclassic except with a different color scheme. We'll find out in a half a second here. Actually, let's go with the presets that they suggest. Okay, so all set here. This is really easy and it's pretty fast too. Now what we're going to do is we just created, now there's 2 ingredients. We need a raw source video and a script. They make the script. So that thing about a script, they don't need a script. Okay, let's go. Let's go with the raw source video from my device. And we're going to go with shorts in May. Wait a second, these aren't the ones I wanted. Those are a different kind of shorts. But they might be. Wait a second. Let's go like this and go these shorts, because I know these are the ones I want.
And we need to get some ones that I hadn't already done. Where are they? I need, all right, but let's just give it a try. Okay. That wasn't what we wanted. Okay. Back up here, back over here, here, my device. And we're going to go videos and desktop. Here's the shorts that I wanted. Sometimes you forget where things are. We'll do music. This is us uploading a short video, and it helps if I show you uploading a short video. That way you didn't have to see me go through all the aggravation. All right, so it's uploaded. And I guess they're translated in, oh, what am I? Just use the magic button. Magic button assumes that it's English because I'm an English speaker, and I told them in my interview, no, told them when I set up that it's English. Now what it's doing is it's going through the whole shorts thing, and it's trying to find the key points of the short. And it'll probably end up making the short even shorter. It's 44-second short, so this will be interesting to see what it does. Now it's shorts test to landscape. Let's see what it does here. 33%. We got 1 out of 4. I'm not going to play this one again. We got a 1 out of 4, but oh man, getting those things is just, I'll figure out this game yet. And also, I'll figure out OneTake yet, because OneTake is a really interesting, best setup for scripted videos and a video where you're selling something. Because what I've found with gameplay, if you're a gamer and you aren't talking the whole time, then it'll clip that part out of, and it might clip one of the best parts of the video out. So most AI tends to go off of the script, not the actual video thing. And you see also that OneTake needs to work on lip sync. However, the deep fake of my voice, I would say, was very accurate. Love you all. Have a great rest of your day. Leave comments below, and thanks for watching.